In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a numbered list at 2 in Google Slides. This is a handy technique to know, especially when you're creating a presentation and need to continue a list from a previous slide or document. Let's dive right in and make sure you're equipped with the skills to do this seamlessly. To start, you'll want to create your list as you usually would. Go ahead and type out the items you intend to include. As you press Enter after typing each item, you'll notice that Google Slides immediately assigns a sequential number to each entry, starting at 1. This automatic numbering is great for many situations, but what if we want to kick off our list from the number 2 instead? That's where these simple adjustments come in. Next, you'll need to select the first number in your list. Head over to the number 1 that's sitting right at the beginning. Click directly on this number to highlight it. This step is essential because it indicates to Google Slides that we want to modify how this number and the subsequent ones are appearing. Now, it's time to access the list options. Take a look at the top of your screen and find the Format menu. Give it a click. Under this menu, you'll find the Bullets and Numbering option. Hover over it and you'll see another drop-down appear. From there, go ahead and choose List Options. Opening this will allow us to make the specific adjustments we need for your list. This brings us to the Restart Numbering feature. You'll see this option within the List Options dialog box. It's a straightforward step. Just click on Restart Numbering. This action will prompt a new field where you can set the starting number for your list. In this scenario, we want our list to begin with the number 2. So type 2 into that field. By specifying your desired starting point, you're telling Google Slides that you want it to forego the usual starting point of 1. To wrap it all up, it's crucial to apply the change. Look for the OK button within the dialog box and simply click it. Once you do that, the adjustment will take effect immediately. Your previously numbered list will now display the number 2 as its starting point and continue numbering in sequence from there. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to adjust your numbered lists in Google Slides. Whether you're tailoring your presentation to look uniform across multiple slides, or just prefer your list to start at a different number, this process helps keep everything neat and purposeful. With this knowledge in your back pocket, you're ready to ensure your presentations are even more tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting!